This video is about the syllabus of pharmacology which you have to cover in third year of MBBS. I will tell you about the major topics which form the main chunk of the subject, and you must have to cover these topics in order to pass the exam. And lastly, I will mention the minor topics. So let's get started with the major topics. In pharmacology, we study about the two major things, general pharmacology and special pharmacology. In general pharmacology, we study about the general definitions and basic concepts, while in special pharmacology, we study a particular group of drugs having effects on a particular system of the body. So the major topics include general pharmacology, autonomic nervous system pharmacology, central nervous system pharmacology, cardiovascular system and diuretics, chemotherapeutic drugs, drugs acting on GIT, endocrine pharmacology, a respiratory system. Now, so the topics which you have to cover in general pharmacology are mentioned here. I'm going to tell you one by one so that you can easily note them. You must know about the definition of drug and drug nomenclature, definition of pharmacology and objectives of learning pharmacology, branches of pharmacology, sources of drugs, pharmacopoeias, active principles of drugs, doses of drugs, route of drug administration, absorption of drugs, factors affecting drug absorption, transport of drugs across cell membranes, bioavailability, its clinical significance, and factors affecting it, which is an important topic. First pass effect, distribution and redistribution of drugs, plasma protein binding, prodrug and biotransformation of drugs, enzyme induction, enzyme inhibition, and enterohepatic circulation, drug reservoirs. Plasma half-life of drugs, steady state concentration, its clinical importance and factors affecting it, excretion of drugs, mechanism of drug action, dose response curves, which are very important, structure activity relationship, factors affecting doses of drugs, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, pharmacogenetics, kinetics of drug metabolism, first order and zero order metabolism, receptors and their types, tolerance and tachyphylaxis, and adverse drug reactions, drug toxicity, drug allergy, drug dependence, and idiosyncrasy. I have listed all the topics which have to be covered in general pharmacology here so that you can prepare them all and not miss any topic before the exam. Now, the second major topic is drugs acting on autonomic nervous system, in which you will study about the drugs acting on the parasympathetic nervous system, which can be the cholinergic agonists having acetylcholine-like effects and cholinergic antagonists having effects opposite to that of acetylcholine, and about the drugs acting on sympathetic nervous system, in which there are adrenergic agonists having effects similar to that of norepinephrine and adrenergic antagonists having effects opposite to that of norepinephrine. In cholinergic drugs, you will study about the choline esters, anticholinesterases, cholinomymatic alkaloids, while in anticholinergic drugs, there are two main types, antimuscarinic and antinicotinic. Similarly, in adrenergic drugs, sympathomimetics, there can be the catecholamines and non-catecholamines, while anti-adrenergic drugs or sympatholytics can be the alpha blockers and beta blockers, and autonomic ganglion blockers, skeletal muscle relaxants, which include the neuromuscular blockers, tubocurarine, succinylcholine, etc., and skeletal muscle relaxants, meprobamate, mefenicine, and diazepam. There are detailed videos available on autonomic nervous system on my channel. You can also check this out. Now the third major system, central nervous system, in which you will study about the sedatives and hypnotics, anti-epileptics, general anesthetics, local anesthetics, alcohol, antipsychotics, antidepressants, anti-mania drugs, anti-Parkinson drugs, CNS stimulants, drugs used for migraine, muscle relaxants including the spasmolytics, analgesics, opioids and narcotic analgesics, NSAIDs, and anti-gout drugs. Now comes the cardiovascular system. I know this video is a bit boring, but it is going to be useful for you, especially in your exams. In cardiovascular system, you will study about the antihypertensive drugs, antiarrhythmics, drugs used for heart failure, anti-anginal drugs, antihyperlipidemics, thrombolytics, anticoagulants, antiplatelets. All of these are very important topics, and the diuretics. Now comes the chemotherapeutic drugs. But before discussing the chemotherapeutic drugs, you can see I have tried my best to provide you maximum amount of information in a very short interval of time. So kindly appreciate my effort and like the video and must wear the mask before going outside. Now comes back to the topic. In chemotherapeutic drugs, you will study about the antimicrobial drugs including the sulfonamides, penicillin, cephalosporin, aminoglycosides, tetracyclines, macrolides, chloramphenicol, quinolones, antitubercular drugs, anti-leprosy drugs, antifungal drugs, antivirals and anti-cancer. All of these are very important topics. Antiprotozoal drugs, anti-malarial drugs, anti-amoebic drugs, urinary tract antiseptics, immunosuppressive drugs. Now comes the drugs which act on the gastrointestinal system including the emetics and anti-emetics, ulcer healing drugs, purgatives and laxatives, antidiarrheals. Now comes the drug which act on the respiratory system including the treatment of bronchial asthma, expectorants, mucolytics and antitussives. Now comes the endocrine system including the pituitary and hypothalamic drugs, adrenocorticoids, sex hormones, thyroid and parathyroid drugs, pancreatic hormones and anti-diabetic drugs, oral contraceptives. Now comes the autocoids and glaucoma treatment, which are also very important. Now comes the minor topics which you can skip, but there is no reason of doing so, so you should prepare these topics as well, in which we have drugs acting on the uterus. You can check this list. You have to study it, and the locally acting drugs, you can check this list out. If I have skipped anything, you can mention it in the comments. I wish you good luck. That's all about the syllabus of pharmacology. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.